I'm attacked. I'm making records, my fans, they can't wait. They write me letters, tell me I'm great. So I got me an office called Records on